Room-related definitions. In case you want to group the rooms in your hotel property, first you should define the room type group under the related field. Now, let's see how to define the specific room type. When the new hotel record is opened, standard room is defined as an example for you. You may either double-click on the desired row and change the existing record, or delete the desired row. To add a new room type, press the Add button. Once the room type card is opened, first one room photo must be uploaded to the system under the related screen, and this photo will be displayed on the reservation page. We can easily add or delete more photos. Then we should fill out room type name, which will also be visible on the online page. Then we should write the short code of the room. This code will be the one that Elektraweb users see while they use the program. We should also match this room type with the one from the drop-in menu offered under Elektraweb system. Moreover, it is very important to enter the exact number of this room units that exist in our property. This is the important information for creating the precise reports. Next, you may enter the room description in text format under the related field. Again, this information will be displayed on online reservation page. If you have defined certain room group type and you want to match this room type entry with that specific group, simply choose one of the offered entries under this field. You may also enter the room size in square meters as well as the workload factor. This workload factor is related to housekeeping operation. Time necessary to clean standard room is different than the one needed for the deluxe room. Therefore, program performs the automatic made distribution based on the parameters we enter in this field. Order number is the area where we define order of appearance of the current room in the cube analysis. When this specific room type record is not in use anymore, you can check passive or delete the box. Next row is related to defining the number of guests that can stay in this specific room unit. According to the room capacity, you may define the number of adults and children that are supposed to stay in this room. Price factor is the place where we define the parameters for the room price calculation. In case we wish to separately keep track of the room revenue, we should also select the corresponding department and revenue group. In order to fill out these fields, first we need to make the necessary department and revenue settings under accounting definitions. Once this is done, we may complete the matching with the related room type. In the room type definition card, there are some fields related to channel management. For example, you may have 10 of these room units in your property, but you may want to sell only 7 of them through the online channels. In the same way, you may also define the number of rooms that you wish to sell over the full capacity of the related room type. These rules should be written in one of these related fields. You may also define the minimum price for this room. In case the price for this room is defined under this minimum price, which can sometimes happen by simple typing mistake, it will not be displayed on the online reservation screen. Here you can also write down the bed characteristics in text format. In the lowest part of the room type card, there are some main room features listed. If these are also available at your property, you may simply check the box next to the desired feature, and these will be displayed on the online reservation page. Availability Pool tab. When we wish to use capacity of different room types for the current one, we select the desired room type from drop-in menu and enter the necessary percentage of use. Rooms tab. This is the place where we enter the room number of the type we are defining. First, we give room number and match it with the related room type. Now we have successfully created room number for one standard room. However, let's suppose there are 10 standard rooms in our property and we are in need of another 9 units with numbers. In this case, from Action menu, we should select Room Replication and complete this process quickly and effectively. Room Type Connection tab. Connection room is the one that consists of 2 or more rooms that are interconnected with the doors. Due to such structure, these rooms can be sold as one, or when needed, as 2 or more separate room units. Let's say we have a connection room in our property that consists of 2 standard rooms. If we assume that this is a deluxe room type, Then I will room type, we enter standard room, and in the next field, number of these rooms that create connection room. We may define maximum parent room to be 10. This is how you make connection room definitions for your property. Bed type definitions. This is the field where we define all the available bed types options in our property. First, we should choose the system bed type, then write the shortcode and save the entered information. Room locations can also be defined under the related field. Since this is the information that can change from hotel to hotel, users can easily enter the desired and various room locations. The same is applicable to the room view definitions. Again, users can make necessary settings according to hotel preferences. Room definitions is the field from where we can also define room numbers for the defined room types. Similarly as in the related tab on the room type definition card, by clicking on the New button, New card is open, and information such as room number and system room type should be selected. Moreover, we can match it with the bed types we previously created, as well as with the specific room location and view. We created one deluxe room. However, if we assume that there are 10 deluxe rooms in our property in total, with the room replication command under Action menu, we can easily copy selected room types with the desired number sequence.